guys, it's your girl Ryan Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when new videos go up. But you guys, I am so excited how this look turned out. I honestly wasn't thinking that it was gonna go like this, but I created this really cute green eye look. This is actually my second green eye look that I've ever done, but I really do like how it turned out. As you guys know from the caption, I've used Juvia'S Tribe palette. I've gotten so many palettes over time and they're just collecting dust in my drawers. So my goal right now is to go through my palettes and start creating looks and just to get my creativity sparked as well. Yeah, you guys will see a whole bunch of new palettes for me that I haven't used on my channel. But yeah, you guys, without further ado, if you would like to see how I created this beautiful green eye look, then definitely keep on watching. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the Tribe palette. This is such a beautiful palette. So first I'm going to be using the Anastasia eye primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids, and then I'm just using my beauty sponge to blend that all out. Next, I'm just using this brush to buff this all out. Honestly, I did show you guys the brushes, but I will have everything listed in the description box down below. But as you can see, I'm just gonna buff out the harsh lines of the primer so that everything blends nice and seamlessly. Next, I'm picking up this dark color called Sand, and I'm using a Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brush, and I'm just going to pack on this color to my outer V, and I'm just going to continue packing on until I get my desired opacity, and then I'm going to drag that color into my crease. Up next, I'm grabbing this light green color called Tootsie on a JH39 brush, and I'm just going to stamp that lighter green color just above the dark green color, and this is just going to help to blend the colors seamlessly. But first, I'm just going to again pack on as much color as possible before I start any sort of blending motions. So next I'm taking the JH40 brush, and I'm just going to lightly, I have nothing on my brush, and I'm just going to take that dark green color and slowly blend it into the lighter green. So I'm picking up the matte orange color in the palette called Aromo, and I'm using my Morphe 124 brush. At first I did use this brush, but it wasn't giving me the best color payoff, so I did switch to my Morphe 321 brush, and that's a more denser dome brush. So again, you're just going to pack that color on top of the light green, and then you're just going to try your best to blend that color out so that there aren't any harsh lines where the green ends. So for this look, I had to go back in with the same colors many different times because with each step I lost the colors that I was using. So here I'm adding more of the light green, and you're also seeing my little girl poking me. But yeah, I'm gonna add that light green back in because I lost it. And then I'm just using a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to again push that light green into the orange color. And here you can see I'm just deepening back up that dark green color because again I lost some of the intensity, so I'm just going ahead and doing that before I cut my crease. So next I'm just adding the color Missrayyy, and it's the lightest green color in the palette. I did try to directly add it right over the primer, but I found that it looked pretty patchy, so I ended up wiping it off with my micellar water and then cutting my crease with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the white concealer color, and then I added the lightest green on top of that. So next I'm just using my Morphe 224 brush, and I'm just stamping out my cut crease and moving very slow so that I get a precise shape. Just to ensure that there's no harsh lines when I'm adding my shadows, I'm just going to go ahead and tap the end of the cut crease to diffuse that line. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go back in with Missrayyy, which is a light green color, and then I'm going to pack that on to the cut crease that I just created. So I'm using the Morphe & Jeffree Star JS14 brush, and this is a liner brush. I'm going back in with the dark green color, and this is just going to deepen up the crease and just define it a little bit more, give it some more depth, and kind of clean up the look a little bit. So that's what you guys can see me doing here. I did mess up that eye, so don't worry, I will go back and fix it up. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right now, and I'm also bringing that down a little bit more to define my eyes. So just to diffuse everything, I'm using the mixture of the two lightest green colors, and I'm just putting that in between the lid color and the ending of my outer V to diffuse that lightest green and darkest green colors. So I'm just gonna continue to blend that between those two colors until everything looks nice and blended. So I'm going back in with my Morphe JH33 brush, and I'm just packing on a little more of the darker green color, again just to diffuse everything a little bit more and make everything look more cohesive. So I was feeling like the look was a little bit empty, like it was missing something, so I decided to go ahead and add this gold glitter liner that I got from my local beauty supply store called CLORE. And yeah, I just went ahead and put this right where my cut crease ended or started. And yeah, I really just felt like this was exactly what I needed to bring the look together. So next I'm using my Morphe Blackout liquid liner, and I tried to do it on camera, but it's so hard for me to do liner on camera with my curly eyelashes. So yeah, I tried a little bit, but the rest is definitely off camera. Sorry you guys, but I'm just doing a simple winged liner, nothing too thick, and yeah, you guys can see I'm just struggling super hard. So here is the final look of my liner, and next I'm just gonna do my under eyes. So I'm starting with the darkest green, going into the lighter green, and then the lightest green, and then finally the orange. So basically doing the exact same steps that I did on my lid, I'm going to be doing on my under eye. So last minute I decided to add this color called Curla, and it is a really sparkly orange color. So I decided to put that into my tear duct with a smaller precision brush, and I just really liked this cute pop of color that it added to my face. And once I'm done that, I went ahead and finished the rest of my face, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So this is the final look that I came up with, you guys. I really do enjoyed how it turned out. Comment down below if you guys will recreate this look and if you guys liked it. Definitely don't forget to also follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot more stuff on there. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!